Diddle, do you like Trump? You do? Okay, what about Bush? What about Obama? You don't like Obama? Okay, it's okay. Bush, he's okay, right? Yeah, he's okay. Obama? Obama.